Emma, what is this? What we have? We have Galaxy here. Can you fly to Uranus?
Where?
Here? Yes. Good job. Let's go to the Mars.
No. Let's not go to the Mars.
Rift mode under takeoff. Accelerate 1 at 150 meters per second.
Dynamic phase. Come back again with risk mode dynamics.
Okay, let's go to Saturn.
This is for the spaceship. That's wrong.
Oh, it's stuck? Okay, great. Can you go to Mercury? Great job, Emma. And can you go to Venus?
So easy, it's the bottom.
Nice. Great, good job. And finally, wait. Yes, finally, can you go to Jupiter? There's some gifts for you guys on Jupiter waiting for you.
I want Rapunzel.
Hey, uh-oh. What we've got there? Emma. Show what you've got. Show. Yes, show what you've got.
I got these egg things that have chocolate on them, and they have stuff in it.
Stuff in
So let's open them. I got Cinderella. And throw them on the ground.
What is this? Show.
Get Aurora.
Jessica got little mirror
Nice.
and cute little doggy.
You want switch? No. Huh? I have Rapunzel picture. I want switch, Jessica.
Yours? Oh,
This one is better. This one is Aurora? Yeah, do you want Aurora? No. Please. I like that cute little pup. It's blue. Can I have it, please? Yep.
You forgot to put your dress on. This is your dress. So we have to do
How Aurora? A big dress.
big, beautiful dress, like princess one. And this is
And this is her little